In this video, you will get to know how to download Clash on your MacBook, get the subscription, and import nodes step by step. Go to the description of this video and click on the link given for this website. After that, create an account and sign in. Go to Downloads, translate the website. Now you will find macOS tutorial. Here is the app. Click on Continue Reading, and here you can download ClashX Pro. Click on that and allow download. App has been downloaded. After that, install. Simply drag this app to the folder. Once you're done installing, go to your application and you will find Clash here. Double click on it and allow all the permissions. After that, you will not see anything going on the screen, but here in the title bar you will see a little Clash icon. Now go to the website again and go to Store option. Here are different packages. You can choose any package, but here I got you covered with 20% discount. Choose any package you like. Let's say you're gonna get unlimited traffic for 1 year. Gonna go for subscription. Choose the package, then the duration, then the payment method, that is Alipay and WeChat. And here you can use my coupon code. Type a 𝒕𝒔 and verify the coupon code, and before you see the price is $16.88. Now after verifying coupon code, it's $13.28, so you got discount. After that, pay by opening your Alipay and scanning the QR code, or opening your WeChat and QR code. If you go to pay, it will generate a QR code here. It asked me that I'm already using a paid version using this email, so that will be terminated. I don't want to do so, but you can do by scanning a QR code that will be generated here. Once you subscribe, you will find all these options in the Home tab. You can simply click to import or copy these links. You can also use 𝒊𝒂𝒂𝒍 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂 or 𝒊𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂 Here is the copy the Clash subscription. I already copied. Minimize, close. Now click on this icon in the title bar, that is Clash icon. Go to config. Here scroll down and go to remote config and manage. Press on add, and you already copied the URL. Paste that URL here. Click on OK. Now close it. You see all these nodes are here now. Make sure in this rule section you choose rule instead of global script and other options. If you want to configure more nodes, then you can always go there. These are more nodes and you can switch between different nodes. By hovering your mouse to any of these nodes, simply go to benchmark and it will show the ping value. Remember, the lowest one is the better one. Choose any of these one, let's say this one or this one. Now what you need to do, click on this app and here select enhanced mode. After selecting that, go to dashboard, go to connection, and here you will see all the connection. In the proxy section, you can choose different proxies. For example, for ChatGPT, you can also go to this place. For example, which one is the lowest value? Just see the character here and choose the one you like here. So for each of them, you can choose a separate proxy. If you select set a system proxy, then these connections will change to something else. Let's close and open again. Go to dashboard and here we are. Now open YouTube. Yep, it works perfectly fine. There is no clear indication that it's connected or not, but you can see my other VPN is disconnected. It doesn't show you how many KBs it already utilized there, but there are some changes here. It simply means it is connected and working. In the settings section, make sure you are on rule. Here you can choose the language, and in the proxy section you can choose multiple different proxies according to the information given here, lowest value. So now even if you just simply cross this one here, now this side-by-side window, this VPN is not connected. I can also show you under the VPN section, I'm not connected to anything. So let's have an option. Here you can see there is nothing connected. In this section as well, there is nothing connected. So now I can go and type here YouTube. It works perfectly fine. So this is how you can take benefits of Clash if you don't have Shadow Record app installed on macOS. You see, now it's showing some sort of values there. If you don't need to manually open it, you can always go and check this option, start at login. It will automatically start. If you want to know how to get these free nodes, then I can create a new video right in the comments. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.